probably the last time I filled this bike up for this year. Och så spiller vi fan ingenting här nu. Och geting. A wasp. 1 liter of gas cost $15.41. The price has gone down a bit. I sold my Super Tenere. But I made a profit on it, so it's all good. I made a profit when I sold my Husaveri, when I sold my Husqvarna, when I sold my Monarch, and when I sold my Yamaha Facer 1000. The only bike I lost money on it was my Yamaha Wildstar. That I bought new in 2002. As long as you don't buy a total wreck and you have some basic mechanic skills, so you can fix them up a bit. And then you might say, what about your Triumph Speed Triple R? Isn't that brand new? No, it isn't. It's a demo bike. If I remember correctly, the Triumph Speed Triple R 2017 model cost 160,000 Swedish crowns, and I paid 125,000, and it had 2,000 kilometers on it, so the first service was already taken care of. That's also good. We don't have to worry about the first service. When you buy a new bike, brand new bike, as soon as you leave the dealership, the value has dropped at least 10,000 Swedish crowns. Probably more. So yeah, I highly recommend buying used bikes, but make sure they are in good shape, or at least decent shape, and somewhat popular models too, or classics. Classic motorcycle is the best. Whether it's a Husqvarna, in my case Husqvarna, Husaveri or Monarch. Well, that's because I'm Swedish and there are Swedish-made motorcycles on. Very popular here in Sweden. If I lived in the UK, I would probably try to find older Triumphs or Norton or BSA. For instance, with my Super Tenere, I put on new tires, brake pads, and a crash guard. I still made a profit. My best year was with my Yamaha Facer. I bought it for 19,000 Swedish crowns and I sold it for 27,000. Whoa. It's very important to be honest when you put it up for sale. No lying. Not even exaggerations. I sold all my bikes on Blocket. That's like Craigslist in the United States. So next year I'm probably gonna see if I buy another bike. I'm not sure what to buy.